Welcome to Open House. My name is Chris Justice. You can contact me through the email that you see on the screen or through the Canvas inbox. I have 3 office hours daily starting at 7:40 a.m., 9:40 a.m., and 12:10 p.m. Email me to schedule. Advanced Placement Environmental Science is highly accessible. It's a very highly accessible course. It is multidisciplinary, meaning that it's going to draw from information that you'd find in a biology class or a chemistry class or an earth sciences class. But we also combine it with social studies and humanities, so we'll get into and talk about law and ethics and economics, just to name a few. The curriculum is organized into 9 units. The first 2 units deal with big picture macrobiology concepts like ecosystems and biodiversity. We'll get into populations and population regulation in terms of species and animals and plants, but also in terms of humans. Unit 4 delves into concepts in earth science. Unit 5 is really interesting because we talk a little bit about agricultural practices and get into some interesting concepts like irrigation methods, integrated pest management. There's a lot of information that we go through in Unit 5. It's kind of fun to teach. Unit 6 is that component for the renewable, non-renewable energy sources and resources. We'll get into nuclear power and solar energy, and there's some different simulations I found online that we'll be able to use to access that material. Units 7 and 8 are about pollution, atmospheric, aquatic, terrestrial. Then finally, the grand finale of the class, Unit 9, is about global change. That's when we'll talk about global climate change specifically. This class is best experienced, and that means that you should be in that 30-minute live session every time there is one scheduled for this class. So please make sure that we participate in that way and continue to do the daily assignments. Students will have a choice of how they'd like to take notes. They may take notes with a physical notebook or with a digital notebook like a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document, for example, or a combination of those two. The APES exam, so our AP Environmental Science course culminates in an exam, just like all of the other AP classes do too. And ours is on Friday, May 14th, 2020 at 12 p.m. Pacific. It's comprised of 2 sections, multiple choice and free response questions. And we'll go over that more in class. The exam is $95 to take the exam. If you have financial concerns, please email me privately and we'll take care of that. You'll be able to start paying online at coronadocougars.net starting September 1st, but we won't take payments after October 9th, so we got to make sure that we get that $95 payment in between that time period. Students will be able to access the class easily through any web browser. I made a little quick link for students to be able to use to get to it, to get to the modules quickly at crjust.us/apes, or they can get in through clever.ccsd.net or any of the other number of ways, including the Canvas app, which I suggest that you download for your phone. If you have any questions, please contact me at one of the methods on the screen, and we'll go from there. See you soon.